What is going on, guys? Welcome back to DevBeast. I'm Govind here. So today we are going to be talking about one of my very first React projects, that is Chit Chat Club. It's basically just a one-room messaging app, rather messenger clone rather. So you can send messages back and forth between random users. So no authentication is required. So yeah, I've used Firebase for hosting and Cloud Firestore for the backend database, and of course React for the front end. So I'll be just giving a walkthrough of the whole app and how it works, what happens in the backend, and how to use the app. Okay, so you may check the app in the link given below. I've also given the link to the repository in the description, so you may check it out and try it out yourself. Okay, so yeah, let's just jump into it. Okay. So this is how my app looks like when you first enter it. So it's Chit Chat Club. So as you can see, there's already an alert box saying please enter your username. So let's just give a username. Okay, let's just give Govind and just enter. So as you can see there, it says welcome Govind, and immediately you saw a bunch of messages popped up on the right hand side and the left hand side. So it's pretty intuitive, right? It's just like how messaging app works, like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger and stuff. So the messages on the left are the messages sent by other users or other people, and the messages on the right in the green color are mine. So the messages I sent. So I've signed as the username Govind. So it's pretty dynamic. Okay, you just you don't have a particular username because I haven't given any authentication, right? So let's just give a message. I am Govind. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's just it doesn't work with enter when you send the message. I don't know why it happens, but let's just try pressing that send button. So here's the send button, and immediately you saw the message popped up above the previous message, right? That's how this app works currently. It works in the descending order. I'll be showing you that why it works like that. So that's just the basic functionality of my app. That's pretty much it. Okay, that's what the entire app does. So it's a real-time the Firebase is actually real-time database. So Cloud Firestore, I mean. So it automatically what do you say? The message immediately pops up above the previous message, and everything happens in real time. Okay, so if another user came in and signed in with another username and just popped up a message, it would pop up on the left hand side, which immediately, okay, which means it's a real time database and we can communicate immediately. So that's the power of Firebase. It's Cloud Firestore rather. So I'll just show how it looks like in the backend. Okay, so the database rather. So let's just go to my Firebase. So this is how it looks like, a messenger clone. Don't mind this stuff. I'll just show you Firebase database. That's where the messages pop up. Okay, that's where the messages are stored. So each message has some particular properties, and I want to show you what those properties are. Okay, so as you can see, there's one of my messages. These are the messages currently in the app. Okay, they are documents. They are stored as documents in the Firebase Firestore. So let's just find mine. Hello, Govind. Yeah, I'm Govind. Okay, this is the message I sent right now, right? So as you can see on the right hand side, there are three properties currently as of now. There is the message, that's I am Govind, and the timestamp. Timestamp is basically the time at which I sent it. So from wherever in the world someone sends message in my app, it will be pretty much the same for all, because Firebase holds a particular timestamp. Okay, so everything will be correctly documented in the Firebase in my app. Okay, so it's currently 21:47:43 UTC plus 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, that's what it says. Don't mind that, it's just a timestamp. It's automatically updated using the code I have written in the VS Code. I mean in the app. Okay, and the username is pretty much Govind. That's why it holds. That's the condition which it checks when with whether, depending on whether it pops up on the right hand side or the left hand side, right? So that's the three properties in one of the messages. So that's pretty much the Firebase stuff. I'll just pop up one more message, the last message. Okay, the last message. Okay, let's just see it in real time. Let's see if we can catch it in real time. Okay, I sent it, and immediately you saw that green thing pop up, right? That's my message, the last message. Bingo. Okay, so timestamp 12 June 2140. That's pretty much the time I am recording this video actually. Pretty cool. And the username is Govind. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much the walkthrough of my app. Pretty simple, I know. It's one of my first React apps. I just wanted to try it out. I used as I've told, I used Firebase for hosting and Cloudflare stuff for the backend. So let's just go to the repository, and this is my repository, and it's called chitchat clap. It's got a few stars, don't mind that. Okay, so I pretty much put all the necessary code in here, even the build folder, if you know how React works. Okay, npm run build and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I put a license, don't mind that. You may download the code, and if you know how to do React apps, you may download the code and try it out yourself. Don't use my Firebase stuff, it won't work. Use your own Firebase stuff. Go to Firebase and learn from other YouTubers. Okay, this is just the project walkthrough. I'll be putting the project demo one day, I mean project tutorial of course, but not right now. I have a lot of work to do, sorry about that. So yeah, that's pretty much my app. I've put the link here as well. My username is Chandran Junior if you are ever curious about that. It's in the link in the description below too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I pretty much tidied up the readme stuff. Yeah, check it out. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new, and put a thumbs up if you liked it too. So yeah, until next time, peace.